Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have completed the lesson nervous system. I hope you don't have any doubt. Dear students, today in this video class, let us solve the checkpoint and evaluate part of this lesson. Yes, let us see the first checkpoint. Yes, the checkpoint, it is there in your page number 240. Checkpoint number 1. This checkpoint number 1 is there in your page number 240. So, let us start to solve the checkpoint number 1. So, dear students, what is the heading here? Fill in the blanks. Yes, you have to fill in the blanks here. So, let us see the first one. Sensory nerves send signals from the dash to the dash here. Yes, as we have studied about the nerves. How many kinds of nerves are there? There are total 3 types of nerves are there. Sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Here they have given the question related to the sensory nerves. So, here the question is, the sensory nerves send signals from the sense organs. From where? From the sense organs to the where? First from the sense organs they will collect the message here. Then they will send it to the brain. Yes, dear students, sensory nerves send the signals from the sense organs to the brain here. Okay, the next one. The second one. Motor nerves send signals from the. Okay, the motor nerves, they will send the signals from the brain to the where? To the muscles. Motor nerves, what they will do? They will send the signals from the brain to the muscles here. Okay, next, the third one. Nerve cells are called neurons. Yes, when I was explaining the lesson, I told nerves are made up of nerve cells. Yes, for them what we are calling? Neurons we are calling. Nerves are made up of nerve cells. Yes, in our body, nerves are made up of nerve cells. For those nerve cells we are calling neurons. Nerve cells are called neurons. Remember, reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. Yes, the reflex action is controlled by whom? The reflex actions are controlled by your spinal cord. Remember, reflex action is controlled by spinal cord. The next one. The medulla is also referred to as brain stem. Yes, another name for a medulla is a brain stem. Why medulla is known as a brain stem? Because its shape. Yes, how is the shape here? It is a stem-like a structure. So, and it lies where? It lies at the base of the brain. So, it is known as the brain stem. Medulla is also referred to as a brain stem. This is about the checkpoint number 1. Let us see the next checkpoint. Yes, the checkpoint number 2 is there in your page number 243. Okay, in the page number 243, checkpoint number 2 is there. So, what is here? State true or false. Yes, they have given some of the statements here. Yes, whether they are true or false, you have to answer here. The first one, mixed nerves carry information from the brain to our muscles or organs and give them instructions to move. Dear students, here the mixed nerves, they will not carry the information from brain to our muscles. Who will carry here? Yes, which organ they will carry here? Motor nerves will carry the information from the brain to our muscles or the organs, and then they will tell them to move here. It is not a mixed nerves, it is a motor nerves. So it is a false statement. First one is a false. reflex actions are controlled by spinal cord. Yes, it is a true statement. Reflex actions are controlled by whom? It is controlled by the spinal cord. It is a true statement. Third one, we should breathe through our mouth. Yes, how we have to breathe? With the help of the nose, not with the mouth. Here they have given a mouth. It is a false statement. We should breathe through our mouth. It is a false statement. Then how we have to breathe, dear students? We have to breathe with the help of the nose. Next one, nose is covered with the taste buds which end with the nerve endings. Yes, no, not a nose, it is a tongue. Tongue is covered with the taste buds, not a nose. So the fourth one is also a false statement. Ears also help in maintaining balance our body. Yes, as we have learnt when we are studying about the sense organs, in that we have studied our ears help in maintaining our body here. They will balance our body. Ears will balance our body. So it is a true statement. This is about the checkpoint number 2. I hope we have understood this true or false. Let us see the next evaluate part. Yes, evaluate part is there in your page number 244. Okay, so let us see here the first evaluate part. What is there? Correct the underlined words. Dear students, the underlined word is wrong here. The word which they have underlined, it is wrong. So what you have to do? You have to correct that word here. Let us see the first one. The cornea is the black circle. It is a window that allows light into the eye here. So not a cornea, it is a pupil. Pupil is a black circle. Pupil is the black circle, not a cornea. So what is the correct answer here? Pupil. Here upside I have written. So you have to write here downside. First you write the question. Below that you write the full sentence. The pupil is the black circle. It is a window that allows light into the eye. In this manner you have to write this one. How you have to write, dear student? First you write the question which they have given. First ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ದ ಪೂಪಿಲ್. ಪೂಪಿಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕೊರೋನಿಯಾ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂಪಿಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ದ ಪೂಪಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವಿಂಡೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಸ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಐ. ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್. ಯಸ್, ಅವರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್? No. So what you have to write here? Answer. First you write this sentence. Then below that, our tongue can detect different types of food. Which? Different types. DIFFERENT. Different. TYPES types. Different types of food. Taste. The next one. The constant supply of, this one you have to drop, dear students. This third one you don't write. Don't write this third one. It is not related to your textbook. So don't write. Then directly you write a fourth one. Okay. Third one you cancel. Fourth one. The images of objects are formed on the pupil. Yes. Whether the images which are images of objects, they are formed on the pupil? No, they are formed on the cornea. So what is the correct sentence here? The images of objects are formed on the cornea. Instead of pupil, you write a cornea. The next one, fifth one. Cerebrum is the center of controlling voluntary muscle. Not a cerebrum, it is a cerebellum. Cerebellum, CEREBELLUM. Cerebellum is the central of controlling voluntary muscles. So dear students, this is about the A part, that is correct the underlined word. Yes, we have corrected the word which they have underlined. Dear students, in this A part I have cancelled this third one. Even you don't write. ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಫೇರ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, fourth and fifth in your fair book. Let us see the next one. Identify the following. What you have to do? You have to identify the following here. The first one. These sense organs help in maintaining balance. Yes, which is that? Ears. Ears will helps to balance our body. These wires like structures link the whole body to the brain. Nerves, they are the wire like structures, and they will link the whole body to the brain here. The largest sense organ, yes, which is the largest sense organ, dear students? Skin. So skin, skin. The nerves which cause the movement of muscles, that is the motor nerves. The actions that are automatic. Yes, automatic are nothing but a reflex action. Yes, it is a reflex action, remember. Okay, the next one. What they have given here? Match the following. So you have to match the following here. Control, memory and reasoning. Yes, it is by the cerebrum. The next one. Starts from the medulla and goes down to the end of the spine. So the second one is correct. The second one is a D here. It is a spinal cord. It protects our internal organs. Yes, skin will protect our internal organs. Eyes are covered by flap like a eyelids. Skin gets its color from the pigment called a melanin. Yes, what is it is a? Yes, our skin will get a color. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನಿಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್, ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇರ್. ಯಸ್, ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಲಾನಿನ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಲಾನಿನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನಿಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೆಲಾನಿನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. Dear students, so what is the work now? You have to write check point number 1, check point number 2 and correct the underlined words, identify the following, match the following. In the next video class, I will solve the short and long answers. Till that, dear students, study well, complete your science fair book. Have a nice day. Thank you.